Understanding, donate generously, a guide to empathetic giving. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, donate generously. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're a native speaker looking to deepen your understanding, this video will shed light on the nuances of this important phrase. Let's dive in and explore how generosity plays a vital role in our lives and in our communities. The phrase, donate generously, combines two powerful words, donate and generously. Donate means to give something, usually money or goods, to help a person or an organization. It's an action that shows support and helps causes or people in need. Generously is an adverb that describes the manner of giving. It implies that the donation is ample, abundant, or more than what might be considered standard or necessary. Generosity reflects a willingness to give freely, often going above and beyond the basics. When someone is asked to donate generously, it's not just about the act of giving. It's about the spirit behind it. Generous donations can significantly impact causes, whether they support healthcare, education, or disaster relief. This phrase often appeals to the better nature of people, reminding us that our contributions can make a real difference in the world. It encourages us to think beyond ourselves and consider the broader impact of our actions. In different cultures, the concept of generosity and donation can vary. However, the universal aspect of donate generously is its call to action for empathy and kindness. In English-speaking countries, this phrase is commonly seen in fundraising campaigns, charity events, and situations where aid is needed urgently. It's a powerful call to action that resonates with people's desire to help and connect with larger causes. Let's see how donate generously is used in sentences. During the charity event, the host encouraged the attendees to donate generously to support the local orphanage. The Disaster Relief Fund's slogan, "Donate generously, make a difference," captured the hearts of many. These examples show how the phrase is typically used to inspire and motivate people to contribute in a meaningful way. In conclusion, donate generously is more than a phrase. It's a powerful call to empathy, kindness, and community support. It's about making a positive difference in the world, one donation at a time. We hope this video helps you understand the depth and beauty of giving generously. Remember, every generous act creates ripples of positive change. Thank you for watching, and we hope you feel inspired to spread generosity in your own way.